let's see how to add a font in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And then we'll go over and download our font. Right over here, make sure that you download your font from a trusted website. So for this one, I'll be downloading Mayonnaise. Click download and that should show up right here. And our download is done. Let's go over to check our downloads. Right here, click extract, and let's transfer that to our desktop and extract all those files. Here we can click install once you've downloaded and extracted the files. And then let's close that one. Let's go back to document. And here we can see that our font is now ready to be used. I hope that helped. I hope we understand how to download fonts, and I will see you soon.